The mission of Derby County Community Trust is very simple. It's how we harness the power of the brand of Derby County Football Club to improve people's lives throughout the city and the county.
So we've worked with Derby County Community Trust for many years. They had a phishing attack, so it was really the catalyst around security that made the difference for them.
As an organisation, we handle an incredible amount of sensitive data, and we recognised with Cooper Parry that we weren't really ready for the responsibility that we absolutely have to do everything we can to protect the data that we hold.
Our job is to enable our clients to understand what they've got available to them and how that can really maximise productivity and optimisation. We package up our security services. This is what makes us unique. When we're talking to a customer about moving them to Microsoft 365 Business Premium, we know it's right for them.
What COVID did was overnight make us have to move 72 people to remote working, and Microsoft allowed us to do that. We have the Derby midwifery team in the office using the space for their appointments.
We've been able to have those virtual meetings to keep services running, both for patient contact, but also for the wider NHS care that we need to keep moving.
The teacher training programme is designed to help upskill teachers so that they can deliver PE confidently to primary school children across the city. I feel the teacher training programme has been really successful going virtual. That allowed us to continue our delivery of the course.
We will not go back to the way we were working before. If I look back at the last 12 weeks, I worry if we hadn't have got Cooper Parry IT working with us, just where we'd be.
Really seen some results from the technology that we've implemented for them. It's given them confidence in the security. It's also helped them with their communication and collaboration.
Microsoft has just enabled us to cut out so much dead time in terms of travelling to meetings, to know that we can work remotely safely and know that the data is protected. It's absolutely brilliant, and we can do more to deliver more programmes, impact on more people, deliver greater outcomes for the city and the county. We have not missed a beat.